Welcome to our practical tutorial. Today we're going to uncover an incredibly powerful strategy, the acceleration of momentum. If ROC represents the velocity of a price increase, then the difference in velocity is the acceleration. When acceleration flips from negative to positive, it means the bulls are slamming on the gas pedal, a perfect buy signal. To use this powerful indicator, you don't even need to input the parameters yourself. Just open the My Indicator feature and go to the My Indicator samples list at the top. Find the pre-built acceleration of momentum indicator and simply click Copy. Once clicked, the system will automatically jump to the settings page with all parameters perfectly configured for you. On the left, you'll see NVDA's 10-period ROC representing today's velocity. On the right, it's also NVDA's 10-period ROC, but with Shift 1 checked, representing yesterday's velocity. Subtracting the two gives us the crucial acceleration. Just verify the settings and click the Save button at the bottom. Now that we have the indicator, how does it perform in practice? Let's run a 5-year backtest on NVDA. Entry condition: the indicator value crosses above zero. Exit condition: extremely simple, no stop loss or take profit. Just check the box to exit exactly after 10 days in the market. Let's look at the results. Over the past 5 years, relying solely on this one-click ultra-simple strategy, the total return reached an astonishing 1046.5%. That's a 63.2% annualized return. Across 97 trades, the win rate is nearly 60%, leaving the 80.6% buy and hold SPX return over the same period entirely in the dust. The simplest logic often unleashes the most incredible power. Go to the My Indicator samples list now, copy it with one click, and add this explosive power to your strategy for a backtest. See you next time.